Can you imagine your company's training program offering employees a catalogue of digital certificates on all core areas of management? And believe it, every certificate is issued by one of the most highly ranked business schools in the world, and specifically in the area of management. My name is Diana Clark, professor at ESCP Business School, and I'm here to introduce the best set of digital certificates for companies that you will find on the market in areas such as international business, finance, digital business, marketing, operations, and people and international organizations. You'll be asking yourselves, what makes this set of digital certificates so special? Well, 3 key features that consistently show up as outstanding in our student surveys. Our faculty, each certificate delivered by professors and experts right in the top 10 percentile of all ESCP programs. Where else would you find this level of endorsement? 100% hands-on approach, practical and grounded in reality, a feature that our students invariably prize. A learning methodology that has earned unanimous seal of approval because it's not only about the academic standards, it's about putting them, the students, at the very center of the learning experience with the human support and technical tools provided. We are genuinely learner-centric, and of course, with the opportunity to exchange experience with colleagues from all around the world. As some of our students say,
what I really love is the fact that you get plenty of feedback about each assignment, and that allows you to also see the applicability of what you do into your day-to-day job.
This program has changed my life, changed my way of seeing things. I see big now.
If you seek to develop and reward your talent, our digital certifications can be the perfect tool. Take your online training to the next level with ESCP Business School.